सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम मैनुअल टेस्टिंग से रिलेटेड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन को 10 इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन को कवर करने वाले हैं, जिसमें हम पूरी डिटेल से देखने वाले हैं कि किस तरीके से इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए हमारा यहाँ पर पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज सॉफ्टवेयर। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर देखिए, व्हाट इज सॉफ्टवेयर। सॉफ्टवेयर इज ए सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन और प्रोग्राम दैट टेल अ कंप्यूटर हाउ टू परफॉर्म स्पेसिफिक टास्क. It can be categorized into system software, application software, and middleware software. And what is system software? System software like manage the computer hardware, for example, Windows and Linux. Application software helps user perform task. For example, Microsoft Word, Chrome, Firefox, जो भी है, that's all application software. And middleware software, facility communication between applications. For example, a browser like Google Chrome is software for internet browsing, while Android OS is software that manage smartphone operations. And हमारा second question है, what is SDLC and SDLC? SDLC means software development life cycle. Software development life cycle, SDLC define the phases of developing software, such as requirement gathering, system designing, coding or implementation, testing, deployment, maintenance. Okay, and I stand for STLC, software testing life cycle. STLC is a subset of SDLC, focusing on the testing activities such as requirement analysis, test planning, test case development, test environment setup, test execution, and test closure. That's all part of software development life cycle. That's all software testing life cycle, and that's all software development life cycle. SDLC, that's it, and that's all SDLC life cycle. And third question is difference between SDLC and STLC. SDLC and STLC aspect scope. What is scope of SDLC? Covers all the entire software development cycle and focus only on testing phase. STLC focus only on testing phase. Activities: requirement gathering, designing, coding, etc. STLC test planning, test case designing and testing. SDLC goal: deliver a functional software product, and SDLC deliver quality assured product. Example of SDLC: coding login functionality, and SDLC testing the login functionality. And fourth question देख लेते हैं. तुम्हारा फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, एक्सप्लेन वेरिफिकेशन एंड वैलिडेशन, और एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेरिफिकेशन एंड वैलिडेशन. ओके, वेरिफिकेशन: ensure the product is built as per the requirements and design. It is a static process. Example, document review. Validation: ensure the product work as intended. It is dynamic process. Example, user acceptance testing. Verification: reviewing a login page design against requirement. Validation: testing the login page functionality to ensure correct login or not, login or logout. And our fifth question is difference between severity and priority. Okay, difference between severity and priority. Severity indicate the impact of a defect on functionality. High severity issue affect core functionalities. Priority indicates the urgency to fix a defect. High priority issue need immediate attention. Examples: high severity, low priority. A crash in a rarely used admin features. High priority, low severity. A typo in company logo on the home page. Okay, and sixth question is difference between retesting and regression testing. Retesting: verify that specific defect have been fixed. Verify that specific defect has been fixed. Focus only failed test cases. Regression testing: regression testing ensure new changes have not impacted existing functionality. For example, retesting: verifying that a fixed login button works. Regression testing: checking that other features like sign up, forgot password, and logout still working? And then our seventh question, what is the defect life cycle? What is the defect life cycle? The defect life cycle defines the states a defect goes through from identification to closure. New defect is reported. When new defect is reported, then developer to assign to the developer, assign to the developer. Developer start working on it. In open phase, developer start working on it. Fixed. Developer resolve that defect. Retest. Tester verify the fix. Closed. Defect is confirmed as per fixed. Reopened. If the defect persists, it is reopened. Deferred. Fix is postponed to later release. You can see there is a image. New, assign, open, duplicate, reject, deferred, next release. Fixed, pending test, reopened, verified, and close. And now, eighth question, what is bug? A, a bug is an error, flaw, or failure in software that cause unexpected behavior. Bugs can occur due to coding mistakes, during flaws, or miscommunication of requirements. Example, a shopping cart not updating the total price after adding items. That is a bug. Okay. And then our ninth question, what is test coverage? Test coverage is a metric that measures the extent to which testing has been performed. It ensures all functionalities, code path, or requirements are tested. Example, a code coverage tool like Jacoco highlight untested part of code. Okay. Now go to question number 10. And here the our question number 10. What is a test plan and what does it include? Now answer you can see. A test plan is a document outlines the testing strategy, objectives, resources and schedule for a testing effort. It is include scope and objective of testing, test strategy and approach, resources and roles, test environment, requirements, test deliverable, risk and contingency plan. Example, a test plan for an e-commerce site might focus on testing checkout, search and payment functionality. Okay. So these are questions are most important for your interview. So ये थे हमारे 10 इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. अब हम देखेंगे 10 इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड और क्वेश्चन अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए इतना ही. आप अगर चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर ऐसे ही वीडियो आपको मिलते रहेंगे. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर ये हमारा पार्ट 1 था. अभी पार्ट 2 आएगा. मैंने पूरे 100 क्वेश्चन बनाया है मैनुअल टेस्टिंग में जो इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाते हैं. ठीक है. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. आज के लिए इतना ही. जय हिंद.